Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. Could the map sensor be faulty and the fault light not come on? Engine? If the map sensor is defective, the ECU will detect it and the engine fault light will come on. Another thing is that the map sensor is not defective, but that it is obstructed by dirt, or that have the connectors in poor condition, for example, due to rust. In this case, it will give values that are not correct to the ECU. The ECU will not know that the problem comes from the map sensor and the engine will not work well. And sometimes the ECU, when this happens, for example, due to a sensor obstruction, which is very clogged with dirt, the ECU can even blame the map sensor or the EGR. I will leave you a link to a video that I made, that a map sensor was clogged. It was not defective, but it was clogged by dirt and the ECU blamed the map sensor and the EGR. Then the only thing we did was clean the map sensor and the problem was solved. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.